Welcome to Code with a B. In today's tutorial, we are diving into how to implement authentication with Supabase using FlutterFlow. So let's get started. Let's go to Supabase website first and sign up in here. Then you have to select a new project and create a new project. It will take some time for the project. There it will ask you for the location and the password. So select as per your choice, and then when you go to the project you will see something like this. Now once this is done, you have to go to the settings, authentication, okay, and you have to click anonymous sign-ins allow and click on save. Okay, once this is done, you have to go to the API and click on the project URL, copy that, and now open your FlutterFlow and go inside the settings, Supabase, enable Supabase, API URL, paste that URL and the key. Okay, so it's connected now. Now here we are going to add one more table to the Supabase. Okay, create new table. I'm going to name it as profile. Okay, and this one will be UID and it would be linked to the auth UID. Add few columns, display name, type would be text, email, type would be text, and you have to click on the foreign key relation. It will be auth users ID and the ID, and here you have to select cascade, because if users is deleted, its data is also will be deleted. Click on save and save. Now again go to the Supabase and click get schema. So the profile what we have done, it's here. Okay, let me just check with the table one more time. Edit table. Okay, so everything is fine. Now click on the authentication, enable authentication, Supabase. We have to create a new page, auth. So I'm going to use default one, I think. Login, create. Okay, and go to the settings. Now here the entry page is login and this one is okay. Now coming to the project, I'm going to remove this stuff. Sign up, remove. Email I'm going to duplicate and rename it as name create, and here also name, and autocomplete would be name. Okay, and create account. Here create account. Let me just check. It's linked to the Supabase directly. So after this, I am going to add one more action. Insert row. Table profile, set fields. ID would be from the authenticate user. Created at would be current time. Display name would be the name what we have from the widget state, name create, and email would be widget state email create. Okay, name create, email mode, okay, email field is email create. Okay. Now let's run our project. Okay, by the time project is getting run, we are going to implement the sign in thing as well. Login. Okay, and forgot password. Add action. Forgot password. Let's type password. Reset password. Email address. Okay, so reset password is also done. Now I am going to click on the sign up. Fill the name. Let's click on the create account. So something went wrong. Let's see what is went wrong. Okay, I think I forgot to mention in here restriction. There would be no restriction on this one. Okay, now on the home page, add action, logout. Let me refresh the app now. Let me check the Supabase again. It's coming in here, but okay. Waiting for verification, so we have to disable the verification thing. It should be authentication. Let's look at that. Confirm sign up. Okay, okay, here it is, confirm email and secure email change. Just need to disable that and save. Let us run again now. Okay, so here we are logged in and it's working fine. And let's check our authentication users. Abhi email and time and table. Let's say the table. Okay, display name is Abhi and email is AA and it's linked. So I hope you learned something new in this video. Thank you for tuning with Code with Abhi. If you found this tutorial helpful, just like, share and subscribe and hit the notification icon. Got any questions? Then do ask me in the comments. Would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Thank you.